right.
Underling, cross logo,
305.
305 pounds.
And then we got 235 on the bar here. One rep. One rep. One rep max. One rep max. That's it. One rep. We're gonna, one rep, 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to build on that and 5 minutes on this. So from 0 to 5 with bench pressing. To 10. Yep. Ready, bro? All right.
You're at 1 minute.
Second heads up, 302. 322.
I'll go on like the best person to do, right?
Yeah, 15, 20. Yeah.
Take your time.
You're at 1:30. It's 150. 155. 2 minutes. Damn, son, let's go. $15, $25, $35, $35, $45. $46, $346. $346. Third attempt. seconds.
Flooded Rolex at the Grammy Awards. They still selling dope, that's those Miami boys. Killers everywhere, it ain't no place to run. Forgive me for my wrongs, I have just begun.
352.
Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy.
7, 5. It's just after. It was 2 seconds after. Did they count on themselves?
I didn't mind him. They didn't say anything. I agree. Give this one a little extra juice. 235. You gotta power clean it, power clean it. Oh yeah.
Stay firm, okay? That's it. Go. You gotta go. 10 seconds.
All right, let's show all the weights.
Let's go, man.
Boy joined the 300 club. All right, you gotta hop off the box real quick. Here, you just hold your phone. We're gonna show the weights. Don't stop it. Just let it roll. So 1 pound.
2.5.
Tens.
25, and then just show the 45 and the 45.
245s.
Go this side and that side.
45, 5-pound bar. 45. 45 on this split side here. 1 pound plate.
2.5.
2.5.
10, 25, and
25, 25. Our plates earlier, 45, sorry. We had for 52, right?
then, yeah.
So we had the 2.5,
And then 1.
and then our half pounds, right?
Yeah.
So we had half pounds for the bench press, 2.5.
Yeah, it's on that side.
Okay.
So let's go to that side and do that side first.
We used some of the plates, or the change plates
Yeah.
for the clean, but for the bench press here we had the 2.5, 2.5,
5,
5, 10.
20.
Yeah, I can't see that. You have to flip that one. 10,
And then
35,
35 right there. 45.
Again, this is a 45-pound rogue bar. 45. Let's show the other side.
We already showed the blue, the 5, 10, 10, right there, 35,
20. Oh yeah,
45,
25, 45. 45. Good shit, boy.
Alright, thanks.